G'day, we're Dreadnought, the masters of greenfields exploration on the ASX. Dreadnought was founded in 2019, and since then we've made over a dozen discoveries. That's because we're a dedicated group of hands-on geologists with plenty of skin in the game. This isn't our job, it's our ambition and our vocation, our purpose, our passion.
At Dreadnought, we keep our minds and eyes open wherever we go. You'll find us searching in creeks, on ridgelines, or in the scrub on our insatiable quest for the next discovery. When you have over 6,000 square kilometres of tenure, that's a crucial point of difference. It's helped us make gold, copper, nickel, rare earths, and niobium discoveries on our ground, and outlined an extensive pipeline of targets to follow up.
When we drill, we never drill blind. Every hole is deliberate and designed using years of dataset compilation. Our strike rate validates our methodical process. Every metre drilled is a metre invested into our next discovery, hit or miss.
This approach will continue into our future operations, and Dreadnought will navigate every project with data-rich certainty. When we commence mining, we'll bring everything full circle and apply every lesson learnt to make the most of the resources we discover.
Our cash flow will be invested how we know best, funding our exploration to discover our next mine and maximizing the greenfield success that has been our legacy. We are explorers at heart, and we take pride in our proven ability to make discoveries.
Everyone here at Dreadnought is dedicated to our mission. We can't wait to show you what we find next.